What is going on? Garrett Berry here. Chances are you're watching this video because maybe lately you've been seeing the incredible buzz on this new Profits Passport system. The same system that is 100% done for you finally, right? If you've been in the industry for a while, maybe you're sick and tired of getting started into a system, investing your hard-earned money, and then you realize that a lot of missing pieces are left out. You still have to write the follow-up emails. You have to still set up the websites. You have to still, try to figure out all the complicated methods to get people to upgrade because you don't have a system that's truly done for you. Well, this Profits Passport system is finally having everything in place where you can just plug into the system, send visitors to the front of it, and David Deco, the creator, and the system will do everything for you. It will follow up with your leads. It will upsell those people to upgrade higher up in the different levels, and it does all that for you, okay? So what I want to do in this video is first off say that if you haven't already created your account, you can actually create an account totally for free. You can go do that at the link directly below in the description, okay? Now, if you have created an account already, then go to the link below and actually sign in, okay? You're gonna get eventually taken to a page that looks something like this. And if you're a new member, you would just create an account. And if you're a returning member, okay, you would log in. Now, once you log in, you're gonna be able to position yourself as high as you can afford in the 5 different income streams. Now, you wanna make sure that you upgrade as high as you can because we earn at the level that we invest into and below. So it's very good to come in as high as possible, and you can literally earn as much as $2,000 to $16,500 per commission, which is absolutely incredible. But what I wanna do in this video is if I go into the Facebook group inside the Profits Passport group for members, I want to share just some of the absolutely incredible results that members have been generating within their first few days. Okay, you can see right here, Paulo, okay, he said $1,748.50 just came in using David's new funnel. Keep driving traffic and the sales will follow, okay? And you can see right here that he was able to make a $1,000 payment in one of the income streams and then another $748.50 commission come in another income stream. So he just sent visitors and the system took that person by the hand and upgraded them in the different levels, and he was able to make this totally on autopilot, okay? Now I want to share another one, Scott Darvid, okay? He says, all I have to say is fire, right? $3,348.50 it came in over the weekend, okay? Now, he shows all the results right here. These different sales and commissions flowed in, again, just sending traffic, just sending eyeballs, just sending visitors to the front of the funnel, okay? So you may be wondering, how do you get traffic? Right now, I've shared some methods in my other videos on my channel, but one of the best ways is to use solo ads, okay? Now, I'm actually on a solo ad provider right now called Udemy.com. If you go to that site, and it's actually one of the income streams inside of Profits Passport, you can create an account. And once you're inside, you can actually click on these people's profiles, and using the criteria that David shares inside the Profits Passport system, which again, you can find out at the link below, he shares criteria to qualify these different solo ad providers. And once they qualify, you can choose how many visitors, okay, you want to send. And based on how many visitors, it would cost a amount right here, okay? And you would just send people to your affiliate link. Now you get this affiliate link once you create an account, okay? Once you log in, you actually get your own affiliate link, and you would just send, okay, this traffic to that link, and just like these people, which if I share another one, okay, Frazier right here, $6,000 in less than 7 days is what he made, okay? Now, real quick, I do want to offer a disclaimer because, I don't want to promise you that you're instantly going to make $6,000. Some of these people had a little bit of a list ahead of time, but a lot of these people inside of the group, if I just share a little bit more results, okay, this guy right here, again, $298.50. Okay, Sam right here woke up to another $500 Vertex Elite. A lot of these people are just using Udemy and solo ads, okay, which you have the same formula. Now, maybe you don't have a lot of extra money. Maybe you go down the link below, you create an account, you watch this video, and you invest as much as you can into the different income streams to position yourself just like a smart marketer would do, just like all these other people who are getting results, okay, left, right, and center. And let's say you do that, but you don't have a lot of extra money. Well, what you can simply do is go to Facebook, go to Twitter, go to any free social media site and just make a post, okay? Make a post about the system, okay, like I did right here, and then just tell people to comment for more information. And then all you have to do is when people comment, okay, you just send them your affiliate link. Again, you send them the link that you'll get when you create a free account at the link below. And that's all you have to do. Again, these people, okay, a lot of them were brand new and they just followed the simple steps and started to get results, okay? This system is still ground floor. It just launched recently at the time of recording this video, and you can get the same results if you apply what we're sharing with you in these videos and inside the system, okay? So I hope you liked this video. I had to make an update and I'm gonna continue to update, so be sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you're always notified of my latest training and success stories with this system. And also, if you have any questions, comment below. I wanna help you position yourself through me, because once you partner through me, I'm gonna be able to actually share with you what I'm doing on a daily basis to generate up to $2,000 a day, okay? And last but not least, again, if you haven't already created an account or if you haven't positioned yourself in the different levels, go down below, click that link and follow the steps on that page, and you're really gonna be shocked at how powerful this actually is. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.